Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a connecting rod cap in Solidworks software. This is a connecting rod cap which is designed in Solidworks. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now I'm going to start taking a new file. Part is selected, then OK. After that, I'm selecting the units MMGS and taking the front plane, go to the normal, the sketch and taking a circle, sketching two circle. The first circle diameter is 72 millimeters and the inner circle diameter is 54 millimeters. Okay, going to the sketch and taking the line, join to this line, that means click OK. After that, going to the trim entities, trim it, trim it, trim it, and OK. Go to the features, extrude box selected. Then going to the blind and mid plane is taking this one is the 38 millimeters. Okay, after that I'm going to the reference geometry, plane is selected, then click on the surface and I'm taking this one is 60 and preview offset, then okay. The right one is click normal and go to the sketch, going here and center point straight slot is taken, sketch it, going to smart dimension, taking this one is the 72 millimeters and the radius of this arc is 9 millimeters. Okay, the features, extrude was selected, then going to the blind and going here up to surface is taken and click on the surface, then okay. After that I'm going selecting this one to the sketch, then convert entity is selected, converted, then going to the features and extrude card is taken. Now going to the tool, okay, see, selecting this one and hide display. Then going to click here, sketch, taking a circle, sketch, circle, smart dimension, determine this dimension. This one is 9 millimeters and this one is also 9 millimeters. Okay, so the features, extrude card is taken. Going to the tool, okay, now see. After that, click here, sketch, then taking a line, sketch a line, okay, and going here, center line, sketch a center line from here to here, that means click OK and determine this one is 20 mm and this side is 25 mm. Okay, then going to the mirror, select three lines, then mirror about and center line is clicked, then okay. Going to the features, extrude card is selected, to all, then okay. Now see, then going to the fillet, click this side and click this edge, taking this one is the 10 mm, then okay. Then going to the fillet again, click this edge and click this edge, I'm taking this one is the 3 mm. Then okay. See, then going to metals, select the metals. I'm taking brush. Okay, double click here and double click here. See, then going here. Now see, the connecting rod cap is done. I think everybody got it how to sketch it. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.